I put in there radish.
What else you put in the salad?
Second ini onion.
Onion.
Onion. I put vinegar.
Vinegar and
What is called
Vinegar.
this
Do you put
toyo? Sa kuan? Sa ganin ni?
it's a soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Sauce.
what about oil? Do you put
Oil?
in the salad?
Oil?
Yeah?
Ano?
No?
Oh.
Okay.
Yun eh. This rice is not cooked.
Yeah?
Fresh.
Tsaktaran na Tsaktaran na siya.
Murag
Eh,
akong English
we,
ni.
we ate that raw, love. We didn't cook. That's
Yeah.
what my father.
Just asking. Yeah, just asking if you put oil in the salad too.
Oh,
Salad ni sila.
yeah, salad na.
Okay.
Iban, bulayan gini mo ay ban. Pag nagwan mag-practice kag Bisaya diha.
Can you just pa? Uy. More pa. Talk to Ivan more. Love. You asked more, babe.
Yeah.
Ang utana ay ban kay para
Ask
makatut.
more.
More to my father. So my father gonna speak more English.
But I don't know what to ask.
The full roster is kill.
Died. How many roosters have died already from the cockfighting?
Four.
There are four.
One roster win.
Oh, so you
Yeah, I was there when
Yeah.
when you won. Yeah.
Oh.
Ayag order kay may sagot at gawin na.
yeah, yes.
Yes.
Next time you're gonna bring me there to the cockfighting.
Yo, ano sa ganin ni? Kuyog ni?
Ha?
Yung sa ganin kuyog?
Naapa siya pa?
Oh.
You gonna go with my father?
Yeah.
So the fighting.
Pinyo.
Sibo, sibo.
Oh.
Sibo.
Yeah.
I want to go.
Yeah.
And you're gonna bet too? Love?
Yeah, I'm gonna bet.
Next.
When you go back here,
Yeah.
you can go to my
Go to the city. The top
Yeah.
fighting arena.
no.
Okay.
Na sila
Huh?
Yes.
Ito, eh.
We're gonna go.
Yeah.
But only once, love.
Coliseum.
And when you win,
Uh,
you're gonna buy beer to drink.
to roster win.
Binet.
You got 12,000 and to win 12,000 price.
That's good.
Oh.
Yeah. That's very, very good. And when you win, we're gonna buy beer to celebrate.
Hey, yes.
Pwede na.
Yeah,
Nagramin na dyan.
delicious.
Nyi.
Sarap. Yummy.
Yummy.
Ay,
Put sugar.
In the salad?
Yeah.
ito maniwag. Nandito maniwag sa ito.
And mix.
Now, this is not a salad. This is dessert.
Yeah. Dessert.
It's cake.
Nala. It's cake because we put sugar.
Takarang tando.
It's not because you put sugar. It's not already salad. It's cake.
Add
Calamansi.
calamansi, lemon.
Yeah?
Put there.
Namin lagi sa ito dito.
Ayan ang kasalakyan.
Nagkakaon na kanina. Dito ko ba
Wala pa na siya kakaon. Na siya karon na siya kuno kay
How
madto
is
siya.
anything? Lemon? Or calamansi?
Calamansi. Oh, butangan. Nang do you have some calamansi there, love? Calamansi in your
Here, I don't know. We have green lemons
Dami,
here,
pero
but they're
nasa
bigger.
kuwan. Nasa market.
At least ikag siguro.
wala pa na siya nakakaon ron kay
Ano na?
mukaon siya dito sa likod nang mawala ang signal kay.
Gabiyahin ni.
Oh, na siya sa sulod sa iyang salakyan.
Nagabiyahe siya?
Wala pa, wala. Wala na, nag-stop na siya. My father asked if you're still driving now, and I said that you are already stopped and parked.
Ito manawag ng buwan kayo.
And
I'm gonna stay here tomorrow all day too.
mo stay siya sa Denver buugma kay dapat may pahuway siya. Siya ra.
Wala di sa bilit.
Dili na. Daghan man na sila. My mother asked if it's safe there. It is not.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's safe.
Safe.
Safe.